In this video, you will learn how to create a YouTube banner. Well, there are a lot of tools available for free that you can use to create a YouTube banner. There is Canva, there is Visme. You could create YouTube banner with those. And there is Photo. Then there is Placeit. There is PicMaker, and you can also use Photoshop to make banners for your YouTube channel. But in this video, we will use Canva to create a YouTube banner. There are a lot of templates that you can use to create your YouTube banner. For example, if you have a music YouTube channel, you could go to this category. If you have a beauty channel or a travel channel, here if you're just live streaming, and here are a lot of other templates that are available in different categories. There are some paid ones, but we'll just use the free ones. So for example, if you're a daily lifestyle blogger, you can use this template. I really like that. I will double click on this text over here. I will double click again to select the text and then type it whatever you want. For example, I'll type in my channel's name, and for that next I will type in daily tutorials and tips. So that's it. I have used my title over here, and then over here I have like this subtitle, and there's also like this subscribe button and everything. Okay, now we will create another banner for, let's say, a travel channel. You will click on this template over here. Now whether you're creating daily vlogs as a travel vlogger, or maybe you're just creating other travel videos, you could simply choose the title here. So for example, I will be uploading for my channel some daily vlogs related to travel. So I'll type in daily vlogs, and then any travel hub, that would be my channel name. You could also customize this image. You will have to click edit image, and then you can also like there's some mockup available over here. Like you could also use some filters. For example, if I click epic, festive, and then there's also some mockups. For example, if you want to use a laptop image over here, you click on that, and there you go. You could also adjust the brightness. You could also turn up the contrast, lower down the contrast, play with saturation setting and all that. Okay, now you could also add some elements if you want to your YouTube banner. For example, if you want to add this emoji over here, I would simply click and drag it over here, and then I will scale it, and I would place it wherever I want, maybe over here, like that. Looks good. I can also change the background over here. For example, I will click on the background, select it, and then click on edit image, and then go to like elements, photos, and then choose the image over here. For example, if I'm a travel vlogger, I would put something like this over here. I would scale it up to fit the background, like scale it up a bit more, and now you can see I have a double image over here, something like that maybe. So once we have your banner as you wanted it to be, like once you have completed all the editing, you could simply go to download it to your computer by clicking the download button. You can also change the file type. You could use PNG, JPEG, PDF, or whatever you want. I would keep it at PNG. Then I would click download. Now it will start downloading. Wait for it to download. Once the download has been completed, simply go to your channel, go to customization, click branding, and then you can simply go to banner image and upload the new banner that you have created from here. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, if you need any help, feel free to drop a comment. And if you like the video, consider subscribing and liking the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.